If the Epic Games Launcher setup wizard crashes, it could be due to corrupted files, permissions, or antivirus interference. In order to fix this, run as administrator. Right-click on the Epic Games installer and then run it as an administrator. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum requirements, that is 64-bit Windows for 7, 8, 10, and 11, adequate storage, updated drivers. And you can turn off the antivirus or firewall briefly and then try the installer again. Remember to re-enable them afterwards. You can also delete the leftover files from C program files of Epic Games and select Windows button plus R. Go to Add Data, find the Epic Games folder and open it. Also update the Windows. Go ahead and open Settings, then go to Update and Security. Check for updates and then install them. And you're going to use a clean boot. In a run window, type in msconfig and then disable all non-Microsoft services under the Services tab and disable the startup items in the Task Manager. You can also get the installer from the Epic Games website as well. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.